Welcome to Technical Indian YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get notifications about our new videos. In today's video we are going to learn Tally ERP 9 course. Before starting, please watch the shortcut keys which are essentials to use in Tally. In the upcoming slide,
Hi guys, in today's video we will learn about the Tally ERP 9. First, open Tally ERP 9. Select in educational mode for education purpose. First, create company. Enter. This is a directory where the data Tally ERP data will be saved, and enter your company name, suppose XYZ, and mailing name and company address. Type full address of the company, and then country, state, so I am selecting Karnataka, and pin code, and then contact number, and then email ID, and website, and the financial year, and then the password. Leave it blank. Use security control. No. Press enter. enter, accept, enter. So your company have been saved. Okay, now we have successfully created the company. Press Alt plus F3. Now if you select Alter. If you want to make any changes in the company, press Alter and then select company, and then select. See, and now I have not inserted any mobile number. Okay, then enter, save. The data will be updated. Press escape. If you press escape twice, it will come to this gateway of Tally. To return to that company, press Alt plus F3. Will return. Now you know about that create company and alter. Now you can see here create group company, but it's not showing. Create group company means it's a group of companies. It's the same company but different branches. So to enable that option, you have to create another company. Create company ABC. Enter, accept. Yeah, I'll create one more company. Enter, accept. As you can see, now the create group company option is enabled. As you can see the company list in the left side. Now create group company. The name of the group company ABC Groups. Same billing address and country and state, phone number, pin code, website. Members company. As you can see, earlier we have created 3 companies. So select first one, enter. The first company has been added. Now to add these two, just enter. Now you can see XYZ company, just enter. Enter, press enter, accept, enter. Yes. Now ABC Groups, under that 3 companies, as you can see. So next we will go to shut company. The shut company means after saving all your data, you need to close that companies. So the shut company option is useful. ABC company. See, press enter. The company will be closed. Another shut company, ABC Group, shut company, enter. See, as you can see, all companies has been closed. This window will open. As you close and open the Tally software, it will ask you to select company. Then you have to press enter. Then select which company you want to run now. ABC company. See, the ABC company has been loaded. The company has been loaded. Now you have learned select company, shut company, create company, and create group company. Now suppose if you don't want one company, if you want to delete one company, then you have to press Alt F3. Okay, now I have to go to alter that company. Suppose we want to delete XYZ company, press enter. Press Alt plus D. Press enter or Y. Are you sure? Yes. See, the company has been deleted. Now select company, ABC company. Now press escape. Now you can see accounts info. press enter. You see groups, enter, single group. Now I have to press display. You can see all the groups here. Here you can see various types of groups. Okay, we will create after some time. Now go to ledgers, enter create ledger. Now enter Karnataka Bank. Under, now you can see the list of groups. That means the Karnataka Bank belongs to which group in this? Means it belongs to bank accounts group. Okay, press enter. See the account number, account holder name, IFSC code and checkbook, bank name, branch, checkbook, name, address, pin code, opening balance, accept. Next, suppose you purchase some assets to the company from vendor. Suppose for example vendor 1, the company name, under which account it's come means Sunday debtors or creditors. You have purchased that, so it comes under Sunday debtors. So press enter and enter address, if you know address, country and state, pin code, bank details, and opening balance. If you have opening balance, then enter it. Then enter. Now I have pressed escape, quit escape. Yes. Now you have learned about ledgers. Now you learned about the ledgers. Ledger means details of all the company details, purchase details, everything. Now you know what is ledger. So let's press escape. Okay. Now let's go to next topic, inventory. Inventory, in this you can see two options, stock groups, stock items. The inventory meaning the goods which are in companies. To see inventory, first you have to create units of measure. Create. Suppose if you own an automobile company, then in what unit you are selling, like pieces, or that symbol is that, and press enter. The formal name, PIECES, press enter, accept, enter. So I have created the unit. Escape. Now we go to the stock groups, single stock group, create, enter. Suppose it's automobile company, so let's enter car under primary. Okay, accept. Okay, press escape. Now you know what is stock groups. Now let's go to the stock items. Go to create. Under that we have to go to engine, car engine. Okay, under. Now you can see the car. It's a group. The car is a group, and in that engine is an item. So it comes under car. Now units you can see pieces. Okay, press enter. Just opening balance, quantity, engine quantity is about 10 pieces. We have wrote the unit in pieces, so it gives us pieces, and we have to enter the rate per piece. Rate is 10,000 per piece. So press enter. See, the units is in pieces. Okay, the value is 1 lakh. It will automatically calculated. Now accept, enter. data have been saved. Now let's take another example, like a transmission box. Under car, under units or pieces, let have to leave it as 0, and the quantity is 20, the rate is 50,000 per piece. So the value has been automatically calculated. Then press enter, accept, yes, the data have been successfully saved. So in this way you can create the stock items. Now press enter, escape, escape, press escape. Now in Tally you know all about the accounts and the inventory, stock group, stock items, and accounts. I will show you how to create ledgers. First open Tally, work in educational mode, and select company. Last I have selected for ABC company, so go to accounts, info, ledgers, create ledgers. Now create ledgers. About ledger is so important for any data, for company data. So ledger is mandatory. For that minimum we have to keep at least 20 to 40 ledgers. So I am going to create 20 ledgers. And further we need to have more ledgers. So in further class you will learn why we have created so much ledgers. Come, let's create ledgers. First is wages, which comes under direct expenses. Enter, accept. Okay, one ledger has been created. Now GST. GST comes under current liabilities. Okay, enter. Now I am not entering any details here, just for educational purpose. Now create a ABC company name or person name. Under sundry debtors, enter, yes, enter. Okay, let's create another company. Comes under sundry creditors. The company and persons comes under sundry creditors or debtors. Press enter. Next I am now typing person name. Suppose person 1 for example. It comes under sundry debtors. Enter, accept. Now person 2, enter, accept. So next material stocks, which comes under current assets. Okay, current assets. Enter, accept. Stock material means the material which is in the company present. Next we will see about fixed asset. Fixed asset means the assets which is owned by your company, which will say permanently. Suppose laptops like tables and fans. I will type laptop in fixed assets, enter. You can enter the information if you need it, just accept. Yeah, fixed asset has been created. So next we go on sales. If you want sales, just type sales and it comes under sales account. Yes, sales account. Enter, accept. Yeah, we have now created a sales account which comes under. Next salary, about employee salary, type salary which comes under indirect expenses. Indirect yes, indirect expenses. Okay, enter, accept. Yeah, now we have created salary account. Now create GST. See, the name already exists. Okay, taxes. Under that duties and taxes, it comes under duties and taxes. Okay, percentage, you can add the percentages. Suppose it varies, the percentage varies. I'll put as 18%, for example. Enter, accept. Now GST has been successfully created. Let us create one more, cash. Okay, it's already exist. Sorry, closing stock, which comes under stock in hand. Yes, stock in hand. Press enter, accept. Okay, let me create another two more, cash deposit, which comes under bank accounts. Okay, press enter, accept. Now cash withdrawal comes under bank accounts, press accept. Okay, now ledgers are created. Okay, now press quit, escape, quit, exit. Okay, next open tally. Work in educational mode. Select company, ABC company. Now you can see that payroll info, the new option. I will teach how to enable that. As you can see in right side, F11 features. Click on that. You can see accounting features. Just type S for all this. It will be in no. You just change it for yes, and then press enter. Give it as yes, accept. After that, press escape. Then you can see this payroll info option. Press enter, and then you can see that employees category, employee groups, employee units, attendance, production types, pay heads, voucher types, all the options. In this payroll, you can manage the details and attendance and works of an employees. Come, let's create the units. In units, let's go first. Let's display the unit. Only the pieces has been created. Come, let's create the new one. Okay, let's create, enter. Then suppose I will type in NOS, that means number. sorry, number. Okay, let's accept. Okay, now we have created the units. Okay, let's go to the payroll info. So as you can see, there is a three options: employee categories, employee groups, employees. Now let's create employee groups. Create category under primary cost category. Name, let us assume as a purchase group. In company we have different groups, no, different departments like purchase, marketing, sales. So I'm taking a purchase group under primary. Accept. Okay, now let's go to the employee categories. Create under employee categories. The employee category means it's an option under the department, like purchase. In purchase, like we are dealing with automobile company, like purchase, we have to purchase engine, we have to purchase that air filters, we have to purchase transmission, so on, like that. So I'll type that as purchase 1, for example. Okay, enter, accept. Now we have created employee categories and employee groups. Now let's go to employees. Let's create employee 1, for example, employee 1, and date of joining, designation, you can enter designation, blood group, and all details, not entering. Press accept. Okay, then employee 2, let's create another employee. Accept. Okay, let's created the employees. Now go to payroll. Next go to attendance. Just create. Now create absent, which comes under primary. Attendance type leave with pay. Period is accept. Okay, now create present. You can select the attendance type, production, attendance. Now press escape. Now you have learned that the employee categories, employee groups, employees, units, attendance, paid, salary. Okay, I will teach you in the further part. Okay, now you have learned that accounts info, payroll, inventory. Now let's go to accounting vouchers. In right side you can see so many options, and select contra. Contra means all the bank transactions are recorded in that category. Now cost center, not applicable. Account, see list of ledgers, Karnataka Bank. Under that, cash deposit. Enter. Suppose 10,000. Under check, if you have check number, enter the check number and enter. Next, narration. Narration means, okay, all the enter all details. Narration is like remarks, like deposited account. Okay, like that, it's a remark. And press accept, enter. Next option, payment. This is also same as contra. As you can see, a payment has appeared. Press enter. account cash, press enter. To whom, person 3, amount 500, on account, enter, ration, okay, accept. In this manner you can make the payment. Next is receipt. Receipt is also similar to payment. Account is under cash or cash check, you can select it, cash, okay. Then to whom, and select person 4, okay, amount 500, on account, enter. Journal you can add all expenses are calculated in journal only. For example, by ABC by ABC company 1000 debited on account to person 1, okay, 1000 given. Now you understood now. In journal account we will add this type of vouchers, enter, save. Next we go to the sales option. In sales option we have to type the reference number, which is to identify that invoice. Next, cost center classes, party's name, let's type as XYZ, okay. How to type delivery note, dispatch number, dispatch, destination, order number, mode of payment, cash, company address, company name, state, under sales, name of the item, engine, quantity 5 pieces, rate 15,000, amount, total amount 75,000. Next, enter GST details, GST, type enter, type narration, press enter, accept. Next, purchase. In purchase, enter supply invoice number, reference number, and then date, party name, suppose supplier is XYZ company, other reference, not applicable. In purchase ledger, select purchase, name of the item, transmission box, quantity 5, rate will be automatically calculated, okay. You can alter that, then enter, add GST at 18%, tax will be automatically calculated, then enter, accept. Next, credit note, F8, credit note. A credit note is a note issued to the customer or the buyer of the goods. Suppose original invoice number, enter the invoice number, then date, cost center 2, you are giving to company, so to XYZ company, enter address, state, amount, suppose 1000, from which account, on account, by person 1, see the by person 1 rupees 1000 has been debited and credited to XYZ company. This is credit note. Next, enter, save. Next, a debit note. A debit note is issued to the supplier or the seller of the goods. A debit note is issued to the supplier or the seller of the goods. Suppose, for example, enter invoice number and date, cost center, and by person 1, address, state, enter, amount, on account, select on account to, select company to XYZ company. The amount has been debited from person 1 to XYZ company. Just now select on account, enter, accept. So this is debit note. Next is reversing journal. Reversing journal is similar to the journal only. So I'll move on to the next topic. Next is memorandum. Memorandum is also similar to the journal only. You can enter everything. Suppose by person 1 to person 2. See, this is similar to the journal. Duration, accept, yes. Next, post dated. While you are creating a credit note or let me take a debit note. Suppose you type invoice. You see, if you press post dated, that means it is related to the next month. If you entering it early, postly, so you have to take post dated option, or else leave it as current. That's it. So now we have covered accounting vouchers. Next, inventory vouchers. Inventory vouchers are used for record the receipt and issue of goods, movement of goods, the transfer of stock between locations, and physical stock adjustment. Let's see what is inventory. Okay, first one is a stock journal. In stock journal, we have to enter the source and the destination production. So we are manufacturing automobile company. So as you can see, there is only two options in the stock items, that is engine and transmission box. So let me take the transmission box. To make the transmission box, we require a cast iron and bearings, for example. So as you can see, there is no stock items here. So let me create one. For that, I have one shortcut key to create it easier. Alt plus C. So now it's showing the stock item creation. So type here cast iron, primary, in pieces, accept. Yeah, now you can see the cast iron quantity. Let me take two numbers. Okay, rate, let us assume 1000, 2000. Okay, next we have to create that bearings. Alt plus C. So units, numbers, accept. Bearings, 5 numbers, per piece 500, so 4500. Now go to destination. What we are making? We are making transmission box. select quantity, 2 numbers, rate 48,000. It is automatically generated. Okay, now press enter. Narration, okay, accept, enter. So that's how you enter inventory voucher. Okay, let me press escape. Next, payroll vouchers. In payroll vouchers, you can enter the details of the salary of the employee. First, payroll account, from which account? I'll select Karnataka Bank 2. I'll go with by employee. Employee 1. Here you can see basic salary. If you want to add another expenses, you can add by simply clicking Alt plus C. You can create. I'll create bonus. BONS bonus. Earnings for employee. Fix it variable. Direct expenses. Accept. Okay, now I'll enter bonus amount 1000. Next, basic salary 15,000. Enter. See, total 16,000. So press enter. Fund transfer to which account? Employee account number, bank details, IFSC code, bank number, date. Accept. Yes. Sorry. Employee salary details have been saved. Escape. Okay. So that's all payroll vouchers. Now we have covered account info, payroll info, inventory info, accounting vouchers, inventory vouchers, payroll vouchers. Banking. In banking you can see the check printing, check register, bank reconciliation. Now let's go to check printing. I'll select cash deposit. Earlier I have created that 10,000 amount deposit, so it's showing. If you press enter, then it will go for printing. So that's all check printing. Okay, the next check register. This check register means all the check details issued by the company. So this is all for so this all options are also view the bank details. Okay, next we'll go to balance sheet. A balance sheet is a financial statement that reports a company's financial position. Suppose you can see here current liabilities, excess of income, current liabilities, how many GSTs we have paid, how many income company has been made, that you can see in the balance sheet. It means balance sheet shows the balance between the assets and the liabilities of the firm. So in balance sheet you can view all your transaction details. So that's all for balance sheet. Next we will go to income and expense account. In income and expense account you can see all the incomes and expenses made by the company in a day, and you can see that recently we created a salary, basic salary 15,000. You can see the data here, and in purchase account we have recently created you can see all the data that we have created, the income and expenditure statement. Okay, that's income and expense account. Next is stock summary. Stock summary is a summary, it is a report to view the stock balance and profits made from sales of your stock. These reports also help you to know the stocks availability, stocks quantity, pending sales and purchase orders, and how much stock is available for supplying to the customers. That's all for stocks summary. Next we will go to ratio analysis. A ratio analysis is a report for the financial analysis. The multiple ratios in the report give a clear understanding of the financial position of the business. As you can see, all the transaction made by the company has been recorded here. You can easily view it in ratio analysis. That's all for ratio analysis. Next is display. In display you can see all the transactions and the data saved in category wise. You can see this in a trial balance in detail, and in a day book what are the transaction made in a day, and so on. Like this you can view all the informations in the display. So now we have covered all the topics. Now press Alt F3. Now we have one left, backup. Backup means if you want to take a backup of your data, company data, then you can save one copy. So enter the source will be automatically entered. Enter the destination in my I have entered local disk D. So enter and select the company which you want to take a backup. So in ABC groups, okay, so press enter, accept. Okay, now you have backup the data. That's backup. Suppose if you want to restore the data, or if you are planning to change your system, or if you are planning to shift your data to other system, so press restore. Then you can see the source file. Source is D, destination will be the data folder, that is default C users public tally data. Okay, then you can see the list. In that list select the company which you want to restore. ABC group company, press enter. So in that way you can restore the company. So we have almost covered all the topics. So if you think you have not covered any of the topics, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply you within a day. Okay, thank you.